A day in the life of a personal training student. 6:45 a.m. The gym floor is quiet. The lights are on. Equipment is still. Whiteboard clean. Most people walking in right now aren't here to work out. They're here to train for a career. This is not a hobby environment. This is preparation. Welcome to a day in the life of a personal training student. 8 a.m. Classroom begins. The day doesn't start with lifting. It starts with learning. Anatomy textbooks open, skeletal models on the desk, muscle charts on the wall. Today's topic, movement mechanics of the shoulder joint. Students aren't memorizing random terms. They're learning why shoulder impingement happens, how poor posture affects pressing movements, when to avoid overhead exercises, how to modify for different body types. Because in the real world, clients don't show up injury-free. They show up with tight hips, rounded shoulders, old knee pain, desk job posture, and a professional trainer must know how to respond. 10:30 a.m. Applied learning. Theory shifts to application. Students move to the gym floor. Now they're not lifting for themselves. They're observing movement. One student performs a squat. Another analyzes. Knee tracking, hip hinge, lumbar alignment, depth control. Instructor steps in. Correction is discussed, not criticized, refined. This is how skill builds, through repetition, through feedback, through structure. 12 p.m. Lunch break conversations. During lunch, conversations don't revolve around arm day. They revolve around client retention strategies, real-world challenges, how to build confidence when starting, what makes a trainer respected. Students begin thinking like professionals. They're no longer gym members. They're future educators of movement. 1 p.m. Client simulation. Afternoon shifts into simulated client sessions. One student plays the role of a 42-year-old beginner with lower back discomfort. The assigned trainer must ask proper assessment questions, identify limitations, create a safe warm-up, adjust exercises on the spot. This is where theory meets pressure. There's no pause button. There's no Google search. There's applied knowledge. And when mistakes happen, they become learning tools. 2:30 p.m. Real gym floor hours. This is where confidence begins to build. Students assist real members under supervision. They cue form. They demonstrate properly. They correct gently. The difference between watching fitness and teaching fitness becomes clear. Watching is passive. Teaching is responsibility. The emotional shift. Something changes after weeks in this environment. Students stop asking, "How do I grow my own physique?" and start asking, "How do I safely improve someone else's quality of life?" That shift marks professionalism. 4 p.m. Business and career education. Personal training isn't just movement science. It's also communication and professionalism. Students learn client intake processes, professional boundaries, pricing confidence, ethical standards, long-term career growth. Because skill alone doesn't build careers, structure does. The confidence builder. At the beginning, many students feel unsure. They love fitness, but they question, "Am I capable of doing this professionally?" After months of structured anatomy, applied biomechanics, real gym practice, client simulations, that doubt fades. Competence replaces insecurity. Preparation replaces guessing. Graduation isn't the finish line. When graduation arrives, something becomes clear. This was never about earning a certificate. It was about becoming ready. Ready to walk into a gym with confidence, speak with authority, adjust exercises responsibly, build trust with clients. The difference between someone who likes working out and someone who is prepared to train others becomes obvious. Final reflection. A day in the life of a personal training student isn't glamorous. It's structured, it's disciplined, it's educational, and that's exactly why it works. Because careers are not built on hype. They're built on preparation. If you want to see what real preparation looks like, explore structured personal training education and see how your future could begin.